For the fourth task, inside of every neighborhood, there's this column here called Explore, and there's a link, right? So what we want to do with this link is the same thing that we've done with this sub-navigation. And what I mean by that is all these sub-navigation menu items are pulling content from a custom field. I've also gone ahead and created a custom field only for neighborhoods called Explore Map. And basically, when this link is clicked, what I wanted to do is go to a blank page like these other ones, just like I just put this together in Google Chrome, so there's no padding and it looks really bad. But um, all this page is going to have is just a map like this. That's it. So if you go to the back here, you'll see that if you go in the back here into neighborhoods, any neighborhood, you'll see that I've added this custom field here all the way at the bottom, and it's called Explore Map. So what they could do here is now they can add, these maps right here. So that's good. That's all we want them to do is add the map here. But I need you to help me. I need you to connect this query, or when this is clicked, I need it to say, hey, call the Explore map from this neighborhood and show it on the page. But here's what we're going to do. I've set this up so that it's a blank target. So if I click it, it opens in a new tab. So all it's going to do is it's going to open this page in a new tab so that they don't have to worry about navigating back. I mean, they could just go to neighborhoods and then go back, or they could just close the tab. They could just close the tab they just opened, and then that's it. They don't have to worry about it. So I just set it up as a target for a blank to open a blank window. Okay, so that's already set up. All I need is just that for it to link up to that page that would look like this basically. Same header for the neighborhood. All we're doing is it's calling the custom post type or the custom field of Explore Map. And if you remember, if you just come down here to custom fields, and you go into neighborhood, which we were just in, and these are the two new custom fields I just added today, but here are their slugs, businesses and explore underscore map. So if you remember that the AG custom fields plugin, it takes in, it takes in different arguments. So here, yeah, it takes in the field. This is not a native WordPress template tag. This is an advanced custom fields tag. So obviously, what I just showed you here, the businesses and Explore map, once you add them to the query, you would just add them like this and then put their names here. One thing I don't know how you're doing, and that's fine. I mean, you're the one coding this, so I congratulate you on your talent. But like, I have no idea, and maybe this is something that you could explain to me at some point, um, how when these are clicked, it's calling that custom post, that the content from that custom field. I get that it's calling it. I just don't, because I haven't worked on this in a while, that I've really like lost touch of where it's calling it from. But um, like I know here it just registers a nav menu, so it's calling it, but I just don't. I've lost touch with how it's connecting to the custom post type. I know it's calling it through the query here at the top because it's only asking for this particular, well, this is the menu. But anyways, it's right now I just know that you know what you're doing and I'm happy with that. But see here, for example, it's pulling stuff from the latest news, and here it's pulling from local events, and here it's pulling from listings. And I know this new function you created, which I was just trying to go through. It's very impressive. I understand what the syntax means. I just don't quite understand what everything is doing. So, anyways, that's for you to figure out. But that's what I need. Basically, pretend that this link is just like one of these. You're opening content that's being pulled from the custom field, in this case, Explore Map, from every custom post type of neighborhood, and you're displaying that content so it kind of looks like this. Um, my containers have padding in them, so really All I need to worry about is just that this link leads to its own page, like a new page now. Just like businesses needs to link to, it needs to pull its content. So you can go ahead and still use the same template for all of this stuff. Nothing needs to change. I just need this to link to a new page here, and show a map. That's what we're trying to do here for every neighborhood. So obviously if you do it in one, it's going to work in all the other neighborhoods. So um, I know that's not a big deal. The problem is just getting it to work for one, and then we got it solved. So let me know if you have any questions, and that's it for this task. Thank you.